A somber statistic here. The U.S. has surpassed 1 million COVID-19 deaths. That's according to the latest data compiled by NBC News since the start of the pandemic. The grim milestone was reached at stunning speed, just 27 months after the first confirmed case in the country. The CDC says 80% of those deaths happened between April and December of 2021. And new information now on a new variation of Omicron. The spinoff is causing more new COVID-19 cases here in the U.S. Mandy Gaither has the latest numbers and what experts have to say about this new subvariant.
It's another Omicron variant offshoot, a highly contagious spinoff of BA2 gaining steam in the U.S. It caused more than 1 in 3 new COVID-19 cases in the U.S. last week, according to the latest CDC numbers, up from 1 in 4 the week before.
We're set up for another big wave in the summer. I think that's quite possible.
Cases of the variant spinoff are not evenly spread through the U.S. Last week, the CDC estimates it caused around 62% of cases in the region that includes New York, New Jersey, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands, about 40% of cases in the mid-Atlantic states, and more than 36% of cases in the South. It's least common in the Pacific Northwestern states. Researchers believe several Omicron subvariants have a mutation that helps the virus bind more tightly to our cells and hide from the antibodies that try to block the virus from infecting us.
The incubation period, the period of when you become infected with the virus to when you start showing symptoms with these Omicron subvariants is pretty quick. It's around 2 to 4 days.
In a paper published in the medical journal JAMA, top FDA officials say current vaccines could be updated yearly to target specific coronavirus variants going around. They say COVID-19 shots could be administered every year, and decisions will need to be made by this summer on future vaccine composition and who should be eligible for another COVID-19 shot in the fall. For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.